Hello everyone, myself Swati Vakchavare. Today I am going to discuss secondary metabolites, alkaloids. So first I shortly introduce about the secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites are the metabolites which showing a specific therapeutic activity. Means these secondary metabolites used to treat the different types of diseases or to cure the different types of disorder. So now today in today's presentation I will explain the alkaloids as a secondary metabolites. So in today's presentation I will explain the introduction, properties of alkaloids, classification of alkaloids, examples of plants containing alkaloids, chemical test, medicinal uses and references. Now start from the introduction. Basic naturally occurring organic compounds with at least one nitrogen atom are referred to be alkaloids. Additionally, this category contains several related neutral and even slightly acidic compounds. Alkaloids are another name for certain synthetic substance with a similar structure. Alkaloids can also include oxygen, sulfur, and less frequently additional substances like chlorine, bromine, and phosphorus, in addition to carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. So basically, alkaloids are the nitrogen containing compounds. Means in alkaloid compound contain at least one nitrogen atom into their structure, and with the other than the nitrogen it also contain oxygen, sulfur, and it also contain additional substances like chlorine, bromine, phosphorus, and in addition to carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. So proper definition of alkaloid is a cyclic organic compound containing nitrogen in a negative oxidation state, which is one of limited distribution among living organism. Means these alkaloids are distributed in the living organism, in plants also, and that play an important role in the that plant growth. Then what is the distribution of alkaloids, where it is distributed? So alkaloids are found primarily in plants and are especially common in certain families of flowering plants. Means these alkaloids are mostly present in the plants, means mostly the flowering plants. For examples, opium poppy, Papaver somniferum, ergot fungus, claviceps, buttercups, Ranunculaceae family, nightshades belonging to the Solanaceae family, Amaryllis belonging to the Amaryllidaceae family. Then alkaloids are also present or also distributed in the animal species New World beaver, Castor candidensis, and poison dart frogs, phyllobates. Ergot and few other fungi also produce the alkaloids. So next part is properties of alkaloids. Alkaloids are optically active. Most of the alkaloids are bitter in taste except papaverine, that drug that does not having a bitter taste. Alkaloids are levorotatory except conine, which is dextrorotatory. Alkaloids mostly colorless except berberine, which is yellow, and harmaline and betadine, which are reddish in color. Crystalline solids except nicotine and conine, which are liquid in form. Then solubility, alkaloids are soluble in organic solvents. Now next important part, classification of alkaloids. So classification of alkaloids, first classification is true alkaloids. True alkaloids means it contains nitrogen in heterocycle and originate from the amino acids. Means these true alkaloids contain nitrogen in their structure and they are the heterocycles, and these are originated from amino acids. Examples of true alkaloids are atropine, nicotine, morphine. Second, protoalkaloids. Protoalkaloids contain nitrogen but not the nitrogen heterocycle, and they are also originate from the amino acids. Examples of protoalkaloids is mescaline, adrenaline, and ephedrine. Third, polyamine alkaloids. Polyamine alkaloids examples is tyrosine, spermidine, spermine. Fourth, peptides and cyclopeptide alkaloids. Fifth classification is pseudoalkaloids. Alkaloids like compounds that do not originate from the amino acids. So pseudoalkaloids does not originate from the amino acids. Medicinal uses of alkaloids. Emetic having a anti-arrhythmic action. Ergot alkaloids, it's showing anti-protozoal agent or emesis property. Glycine, it shows the antitussive activity. Morphine, it's showing the analgesic activity. Nicotine, stimulant, nicotine acetylcholine receptor agonist. Quinidine, it shows the anti-arrhythmic action. Quinine, antipyretic, antimalarial action. Rezarpine, ajmaline, antihypertensive action. Tuberculinine, muscle relaxant property. Vinblastine, vincristine, anti-tumor or anti-cancer activity. Vincamine, vasodilating agent or hypertensive agent.